Hi guys, how are you today? I'm gonna to talk to you about uh, how to do bichu dunk kick. Actually, in India, lot of people call it bichu dunk. Then first I will show you that what is the bichu dunk. Bichu dunk is it's like a hitting on the head side, ear upper side. Okay, so like this. If you are in the fighting stance, you are a fighting position in. So you have to one stepping like a front front kick, okay, front side kick, and in this kick you have to stretch upper side your right leg and hit here, okay, in the mind. So let's see how can you do it. First, like this kick we can call it bichu dunk kick in India actually. We can call also uh, this kick uh, air side kick, okay, air side kick or stepping side kick. You can call it air side kick. This is the also this name of this kick. So how can you do it? I'm going to teach you how can you do it perfectly. And uh, first see carefully how can I do, okay, like this. And same things, uh, I, I told you that first you have to use your right leg, and second you have to use your left leg, because of you have to practice both legs every day. uh, because of this, if you are practicing regularly both legs, you don't have any one sided pain and any stretches in your body. So both sides stretch equally. And look at me, how can I do it, okay, like this, stepping and like this, hitting on the ear side like this, okay. Who who Okay, so um I am going to teach you how can you do it. First, uh, I will tell you that how many steps in this kick, okay. First kick is you can use only normal kick, like normal kick, this kick. So like this, one, okay, one you can hit here, upper side of ear, okay. So you can hit normally like your enemy in front of you. Whenever you are fighting to anyone, so you are close in your you are very close your enemy. So how can you hit, like one stepping, two stepping, and three you can hit here, okay. And same things like right side also, one, two, you are moving side by side, like so. Whenever you want to get chance to hit him, you can hit like this. Woo, woo, okay. And this is the very dangerous, because of this kick's target here. Whenever you hit anyone here, suddenly that person will flat, okay. So this is the important things you should know uh, where you are going to hit anyone. So uh, keep you in mind. Here you can hit here, okay, only like this. Whenever your enemy in front of you, you can move anywhere, one, two, like this, and you can hit on his here. Here you can hit like where. And I am going to show you how can you do it perfectly. First, you have to do some exercises, jumping, skipping, and after that what you want to uh, do exercises, okay. So first is this, I stretching. You have to stretch. So, and how many steps in this kick? So let's see, okay. First is you have to stand your in the fighting position, okay. And you can you can take a one step like behind your left leg, okay, behind your left leg like this. and your kick going to upside like a inside kick, okay, like inside drop kick. So 1 and 2, your body will move like your body going to be down, and your upper side, okay, you have to do your leg upper side and hit here your face size like whoa, boom, okay. And right side is also your first tapping is this fighting stumps. Your right leg is in front of your enemy, and left leg is like a T stumps, your left leg like this, okay. And you are going to hit your enemy like this. Actually this is the fighting position, and you will have to do stepping like this, okay. One left leg behind your right leg, okay, 1 and 2, okay. This is the position. You can try more and more. After sometimes you are able to do this like this, okay. So watch in front of your enemy, you can hit like boom. So you can call this kick actually stepping kick, actually in stepping in air kick. So we usually almost people are called bichu dunk this kick, scorpion kick, I think. So thank you. If you learn something from my video, thank you. We are waiting your comment. If you have any suggestion, suggest me in the comment box. Like, share, subscribe, do comment. Thanks for watching.